Well, I'm looking rather clean cut, boy, when I put a ponytail in and my Live Good hat, put a sweatshirt on and cover up my tattoos. You can't see that I actually have horse hair. That's right, I have a horsetail. I'm Mr. Ed, but for some reason my mom called me Cory. So anyway, maybe I'll be Mr. Cory with the horsetail. All right, that's my new nickname. All right, guys, are you ready? Are you set? Are you ready to go? Okay. I think if you subscribe to my channel or watch my videos, you know that I'm a big fan of this thing. I'm a big giant forehead. All right. And it's a hat with Live Good on it. Okay. If you're already in Live Good, that's awesome. I'll do everything I can to help you. Get a downline, get signups, make money. Okay. That's my job. All right. I have just looked in the mirror and I said, I'm going to be a good affiliate. I want to be somewhat of a leader, at least somebody you can rely on, that can help you get unstuck and at least get signups and get momentum. Maybe get you out of your shell so that you don't mind do. Maybe you will type and send an email. Maybe you'll post on social media. Okay. Maybe you're retired, you're grumpy, you're ornery, you're shy. You're like, I ain't gonna do this business. This ain't my type of business. But you want to make some extra money, right, Grandpa? Right. Well, get off your ass. Okay. Let's smack you right into shape. Okay, come on, you can do this. And if you're like a little ornery grandma, all right, you're making little cookies and throwing them at people that, I don't know, that are on your front lawn, okay, we're going to get you busy. I don't care where you live either. I have downline in Africa, Alabama, Asia, Arabia. I don't know where else, but everywhere that starts with an A, that's right. They're in my downline. All right, this is a worldwide thing. Live Good started, let's see, December 13th of 2022. As I look over at my computer, today is December 9th of 2024. So Live Good turns dos. Uno, dos. All right, if I was naked right now, I'd go uno, dos. But right now, that would be only 1.5. Okay? 2 years old. Get this, listen. Almost 1.7 million people have joined as members or affiliates. Over 200, uno, dos, 100 countries are in this fine company. We're doing over $15 million a month of mostly wholesale sales. Okay? And there's never been any business online, or I think brick and mortar, that have gotten 1 million people in a year like Live Good did last year. And right now, as we slide into December 13th, oh my gosh, you guys, 1.7 million. That means in a couple months, we're going to have 2 million people in just over a couple years. It's never been done by Costco, the mighty Amazon, Netflix. There's a lot of great opportunities out there. They're billion-dollar companies. Live Good is already a $100 million company. Okay, all based on the membership side of things. For $9.95 a month, that's $10 minus a nickel. Okay, I remember when I first started doing this, people are like, man, $9.95, $1,000 a month? No wonder there's so much money being made. I'm like, okay, guys, yeah, for $9.95, you can join me. Boy, I would have made about 20 million bucks my first month. No, guys, $10 a month. That's all Live Good costs. 40 bucks. All right, do you got two $20 bills? Come on now, you do. Maybe you got, what, 4 tens? I don't know. How many $5 bills goes into 40? 70? I don't know. I have to get out my calculator. I can't think of all these arithmetic things. Guys, 40 bucks, one and done. It's like these bad tattoos I got 500 years ago. All right, $40, that's it. And you're an affiliate. All you got to do is just be a member. So for $10 a month, not only can you get wholesale pricing, but you can be an affiliate and earn money. You can email. I'll show you how. I'm real good at it. I want you to make money. I will show you how I post on Facebook. I'll show you everything I can to kick butt. If you're in my Live Good team or not. If you're already in Live Good, it doesn't matter. I'm still going to help you. I learn a lot from people that are in other people's groups. Okay, there's plenty of room. It's not saturated. If you have some ideas, let me know and I'll make a video about it. I love making video. I can show my screen. I can do crazy stuff. Wild. Like crazy. Okay, but I need to know where you're stuck or what do you need help with. And it's 95% about marketing, how to get attention, All right, if I'm not going to do a video like this where I talk into a webcam, how can I make a business card? Okay, well, it's easy, guys. I like to just do everything online. I would rather just go to vistaprint.com for 25 bucks, get a big old box that lasts me a year, probably 2 years, and then $5 shipping. Okay, please watch video.com. This is the funnel system I use. I highly recommend this. If you're going to just join LiveGood, okay, you're going to make 25 bucks and you're going to invite people the best you can. But you know what? With a funnel system and with education, I think you can do what I'm doing right now. I've signed up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've signed up 7 people in the last, about 10 days? All right, today is Monday, December 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in about 10 days, that's almost one a day. I get very comfortable signing up 15 to 30 people per month. Sometimes more, sometimes less. I don't care if I sign up people every day or every other day, or sometimes go a week without. You just have to do the same effort. Post and make this business fun. Okay, don't make it heavy lifting. Don't freak out. Don't think that this is digging a ditch or working 9 to 5 with people you don't like. You're not sitting in traffic, riding the bus. All right, I don't know, what's it called? Public transportation. I know that just that is a hassle. You might enjoy your job, but the there and back is a pain in the ass. I highly recommend that you look into LiveGood because you can build a room like I just did. I went and bought an enormous amount of Hot Wheels that I had and Legos and Barbies and crazy stuff. I've added some stuff on my walls since I started about 1.5 years ago doing LiveGood. I have added Farrah Fawcett Barbie right there. Okay, I added that badass Lord Yeller Suburban. I added Ace Frehley, Mr. Potato Head, and there's some other cool stuff. I don't know what else. Maybe you can see my Eric Carr. He was the second drummer at Kiss. I got his full-blown drum set right there before he passed away. Rest in peace, Eric. I love you, buddy. Anyway, make it fun. Don't make this a pain in the ass, guys. If you have an extra hour, just post. Make some emails. I'll show you. I got 140. I'll show you the system. It's $1 a day. You get 30 bucks worth of leads for a month. And guess how many you get? 3,000 to 6,000. You think you can get some sign-ups or attention? Sending out 3,000 to 6,000 emails. And all you do is write it. Hit select all button and every lead you get just goes out. Every 24 hours like clockwork. Okay? I'll show you how. For free. You want to just directly go to it? Remember this, orderleadstoday.com. Okay? Orderleadstoday.com. Or if you want, this is what I did. I made a CoryDraper.com. That's my name. Okay? And what I like to do is just simply send people to CoryDraper.com. And if you see, this is Linktree. Do you see the bottom here? It's just a free service where you can build a capture page similar to this. Okay? And it's a page that you can put right there. You can put your Facebook link if you want. You can put a link to your personal Facebook page or a business one. Maybe go to your YouTube channel. That's what I recommend. I love my YouTube channel. All right. Welcome to LiveGood. That's my first button. Legacy Builders Group. This guy, man, this button is just amazing. I'm very comfortable with making 900 bucks a day right now. Guys, not 900 a week. 900 a day. I'm sitting here saying it, and I still can't believe it because I do not have a lot of, experience. I don't have lists, but I'm really good at just going to where the money is, trying to get attention and actually getting it. See this hand helping this pretty girl here? Look, she's falling in the water, and look at this hand comes in and saves you. It pulls you out of the water and says, hey, you know what? Let's first of all get a towel. Let's get you into LiveGood because I want you feeling good. And you're going to learn how to swim, or at least wear a life vest. And on top of that, I want you to get a funnel system, like the multiple income funnel. I want you to get education like Legacy Builders can provide you. I want you to have an email program. Okay, go to My Lead Gen. Click every one of these buttons. They're all designed to help you kick massive ass in LiveGood. Okay, I know you can do this. I know you can. I don't care if you're retired and just completely sick of life, and all you want to do is just sit like this. All right, maybe you have a drink in your hand, or maybe you got a diaper, and all you do is just pee your pants by watching football all day. That's probably my master plan, is pee my pants watching NFL football, at least during the season. But no matter what, you're going to get bored. You're going to need money. You always need money. I don't care if you won Powerball or you're rich as hell. You want to be somebody. You want to feel valuable. And I think working online and meeting people worldwide, even if you don't want to, when you start meeting people worldwide like you're going to and Live Good, it's satisfying as hell. It is so fun to have a friend over in Africa, maybe up over in Asia, maybe down below, that little country, that big piece of dirt called Australia or New Zealand, or maybe that little piece of dirt called New Guinea. Okay? Guys, you're going to meet people worldwide. They're all similar to us. We have to start somewhere. Maybe we don't have to, do video, but we can help each other do email. I got about 140 I'll give you free in the subjects. And I'll show you exactly how for $30 a month I get 6,000 per account. I have 6 accounts with this email company. They pay me $2,500 cash and they give me 10, 20,000 leads per month. Orderleadstoday.com. Will you please just go there already and watch that? You're going to freak out. But I want you to get into Live Good. No more bullcrap, okay? Please check it out. If you want to go to CoryDraper.com, you can. There's my business card. You can see it there just at the bottom. And check out any of these links right here. They all complement and get me signups in Live Good. Right now, I've been signing up about 15 a month. I've had 7 signups in the last 10 days. That's awesome. And we're going into Christmas. People are busy and spending money on other stuff, but you know what? People find me and they make a decision. I'm going to join. Dang it, I'm going to join this opportunity. Let's do it. I'll show you exactly what I do. And please don't think you have to do video. I always say that 2 or 3 times every video because people, when I'm done, I'll get an email or an inbox message. Cory, I can't do emails. Oh, yes, you can. Cory, I can't do video. I can't talk to a webcam. Don't worry about it. All right? I've got that all figured out. I've met a lot of nice people over the last year. Trust me. They're just like you. They're just like me. All experience levels, 0 experience I almost prefer. You won't have any bad habits. Okay? But we need to get you in Live Good. Joincory.com, or if you want to see all my opportunities that complement Live Good, please just go to CoryDraper.com. Check out all these little buttons. All you got to do is just watch little videos. Because at the end of the day, after I set up each opportunity, guess what? It's all centered around going to GoDaddy, getting a domain name, forward it to a video, and that's done. Please don't try to talk about your Live Good experience or the comp plan or the products. Let everyone figure it out. The website's there, wholesale, retail, the ingredients, customer service is there. All right, shipping, handling, everything is already taken care of, guys. We're already doing 15 million a month. We've already got 1.6, almost 1.7 million people joined. So just relax. Let's just get you in. And we'll take, a couple days. Get comfy. Find out what's best for you. And then we're going to do it. Okay? It's only $10 a month, guys. Everyone can afford this. Everyone. From Philippines right up to Canada, down below into Mexico, all the way over to the UK. Okay? All right, man. Peace and love. Guys, thank you for the last 13 minutes and 21 seconds of your life. And I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Find me on Facebook. Inbox me if you need to. And one of the best ways is just email me. Go to Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay? Email me anytime. All right? I always have time for you guys. Thanks. Peace and love. Join Cory.com or CoryDraper.com. There's your assignment right now. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.